In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up account balances in Xero. Setting up your account balances is a crucial step in ensuring your financial data is accurately represented from the get-go. Whether you're migrating from another platform or starting fresh, following these steps will get you up and running smoothly. So, once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. Think of this area as your control center for managing all your accounting tasks. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making your financial management as seamless as possible. Now, let's direct our attention to the top of the screen, where you'll find the accounting menu. Clicking this will unveil a series of options, among which is the one we need right now: Advanced. Clicking on Advanced will guide us to the next phase in setting up your account balances. Here is where you'll take significant steps to secure your financial start on Xero. In the Advanced section, you'll notice an option labeled Conversion Balances. This feature is vital because it allows you to establish your financial start point in Xero. Go ahead and click on Conversion Balances to move forward. Once you're in the Conversion Balances area, we need to specify the conversion date. This date essentially determines when your financial data begins to be valid in Xero. You might find a preset date here. However, if it doesn't align with your financial periods or personal transition timeline, you'll want to change it accordingly. Ensuring this date matches your needs is vital for keeping your financial records accurate. Now, let's turn our focus to entering the financial figures themselves. Here you'll be tasked with entering your debit and credit balances. These figures should accurately reflect the financial position of your accounts as of the chosen conversion date. Attention to detail is key here because entering these balances accurately ensures your accounts are balanced right from the start. If you're managing multiple accounts, clicking the Show All Accounts option will offer a comprehensive view. This ensures you won't overlook any important details needed for each account. Once you've carefully entered and reviewed all your balances, the next critical step is to save your progress. Take a moment to double-check that all your entries are correct, because these are the foundational elements of your Xero setup. If everything appears to be in order, click Save. From this point forward, these initial balances will serve as the baseline for all your accounting activities on Xero. And there you have it, a straightforward method to set up your account balances in Xero. Remember, beginning on a solid footing with accurate conversions will make all the difference as you start managing your finances on this powerful platform. Your effort now will translate into smoother financial operations down the line. Happy accounting!